Welcome to Mastering Plotly, Interactive Data Visualization in Python. We'll transform static plots into dynamic, interactive experiences, explore Plotly fundamentals, build interactive visualizations, leverage advanced features, and apply real-world applications. Let's bring your data to life. Plotly's architecture is built on a robust ecosystem, enabling the creation of interactive visualizations. By understanding its core components, you can craft plots that respond to user interactions, telling compelling stories. Advanced features like subplots, animations, and custom styling enhance production-ready visualizations, while real-world applications integrate Plotly into data science workflows effectively. Plotly revolutionizes data visualization by transforming static plots into interactive experiences. Unlike traditional static plots, Plotly allows users to zoom, pan, and explore data dynamically. Users can hover for instant data details and toggle series visibility, enhancing exploration and insight discovery. This interactivity empowers audiences to uncover patterns independently, making data analysis more engaging and insightful. Plotly offers three powerful tools: Plotly Express, Graph Objects, and Dash. Express is ideal for quick prototyping with minimal code. Graph Objects provide detailed customization for each element. Dash enables the creation of interactive web applications. Start with Express for rapid iteration, use Graph Objects for precision, and deploy with Dash for comprehensive dashboards. Let's explore creating an interactive scatter plot using Plotly Express. With minimal code, we achieve maximum interactivity. Import your data, then use px.scatter to plot hours.studied against test.score, color-coded by subject. Notice how Plotly manages colors, legends, and hover tooltips, enhancing data exploration effortlessly. Plotly's architecture consists of a data layer, figure object, and Plotly.js renderer. Data from pandas. Data frames or NumPy arrays feeds into the system. The figure object, a JSON-like structure, contains data traces and layout properties. Plotly.js renders this as interactive SVG WebGL, enabling browser-based visualization with controls for zoom, pan, and export. Customizing interactivity with hover templates in Plotly allows precise control over displayed information. Using HTML-like syntax, you can format gross domestic product, life expectancy, and population data with precision. The tag removes default trace names, while Python-style formatting and tags enhance clarity and emphasis, providing users with tailored insights. Plotly Express offers diverse chart types beyond basic scatter plots. For time series, px.line captures temporal patterns with range sliders and date formatting. Categorical comparisons use px.bar for grouping and stacking. Heat maps via px.imshow reveal multidimensional data patterns, while px.scatterdark3d allows exploration of 3D relationships. Each chart type is tailored for specific data narratives. In time series analysis, using Plotly Express, a line chart with a range slider enhances data exploration. By simulating stock prices, users can interactively examine trends over time. The range slider and selector buttons allow for quick navigation through specific periods, making it ideal for financial dashboards and detailed temporal analysis. Plotly's subplot system allows for complex analyses by arranging multiple plots in grids, each maintaining individual interactivity. Using Make Subplots, you can create a 2x2 grid with bar, scatter, pie, and box plots. The specs parameter defines plot types for each cell, essential for complex arrangements not supported by Express. Plotly offers built-in themes like Plotly Dark and Seaborn for professional styling. Set a default template with peo.templates.default or apply it to specific figures. Customize further with layout options, adjusting fonts, colors, and margins. Consistent styling enhances credibility, allowing you to align visualizations with your brand's guidelines for a cohesive look. Animations in Plotly transform static data into dynamic stories. By adding a frame parameter, you can create engaging narratives with automatic playback controls. For instance, using px.scatter with animation frame and animation chart group, you can visualize gross domestic product versus life expectancy over time, offering a Hans Rosling-style storytelling experience with smooth transitions and interactive exploration. Geographic visualizations in Plotly offer powerful insights. Use px.choropleth to color code regions by value, revealing patterns like life expectancy. For point-based data, px.scattergeo plots individual locations. Density heat maps with px density mapbox highlight spatial patterns. Interactivity allows for detailed exploration, with automatic handling of map projections and coordinate systems. Graph objects in Plotly offer unparalleled customization, allowing you to program each visual element. By adding multiple traces, you can control marker sizes, line styles, and colors. Detailed layout configurations enable precise adjustments, such as grid properties and hover modes. This approach is ideal for complex visualizations where Express's convenience functions fall short. Plotly's statistical visualizations, like box plots, offer interactive insights. Using px.box, you can create grouped box plots with individual data points overlaid, revealing distributions. This is vital for small datasets, ensuring transparency in statistical conclusions. Interactivity allows users to explore quartiles and compare categories, enhancing data comprehension. Switch to WebGL for datasets over 10,000 points using px.scatter with render mode, WebGL for GPU acceleration. Pre-aggregate data with SQL or Pandas to reduce raw points. Use LTTB for time series decimation, maintaining visual integrity. For real-time dashboards, employ dash callbacks for partial updates, preserving user interactions and zoom states. Integrate Plotly with Jupyter by installing Jupyter Lab Plotly. Use fig.show for inline rendering or fig.show renderer R browser for complex figures. Export static images with fig.write.image for high-resolution outputs. HTML exports with fig.write.html create standalone files. Plotly's cross-language flexibility allows figures to be used in R, MATLAB, Julia, and JavaScript without runtime dependencies. Dash transforms Plotly visualizations into interactive web apps with callbacks and widgets. Using Dash, you can create a professional interface for data science work. Callbacks enable dynamic updates. For instance, changing a drop-down value triggers data filtering and chart regeneration, allowing for scalable, complex applications. Color scales are crucial for data interpretation. Sequential scales like Blues and Viridis are ideal for ordered data, while diverging scales like RDBU highlight deviations. Categorical colors distinguish discrete categories. Use perceptually uniform scales like Viridis for clarity, and consider colorblind-friendly options like Civitas to ensure accessibility. Plotly's custom user interface controls enhance interactivity by allowing users to modify visualizations dynamically. Update menus, sliders, and range selectors transform static plots into exploratory tools. Using method relayout, you can switch scales, toggle grid lines, or change projections instantly, enabling seamless client-side transformations without regenerating traces. Error bars and confidence intervals are essential for visualizing uncertainty in data. Plotly allows for dynamic representation with shaded regions, enhancing clarity over traditional error bars. This approach effectively communicates variability in continuous datasets, making it invaluable for scientific and business analyses. In a financial dashboard, subplots integrate diverse data views. Here, a stock analysis dashboard uses Plotly to combine price trends and volume data. The shared x-axis ensures synchronized zooming across subplots, enhancing time series analysis. Custom styling, like line colors and dash patterns, improves clarity, while secondary y-axes allow for detailed multidimensional insights. Avoid overloading dashboards with interactivity. It can hinder analysis. Ensure designs are responsive across devices, using relative sizing and testing touch interactions. Manage file sizes by aggregating data or using Dash for server-side rendering. Store Python source code for version control, and ensure accessibility with colorblind-friendly schemes and keyboard navigation. Plotly excels in interactivity and web deployment, making it ideal for dynamic data presentations. While Matplotlib is unmatched for static, publication-quality visuals, Bokeh provides interactivity akin to Plotly but requires more JavaScript expertise. Plotly's user-friendly interface and robust features make it a practical choice for most data science tasks. Explore Plotly's official documentation for live examples. Build a portfolio project by creating a dashboard and deploying it with Dash. Study community dashboards to learn complex structures and performance optimization. Integrate Plotly into your workflow, replacing static plots with interactive reports, transforming data communication and understanding.